Bitcoin's going to be 21. And so with that, with the help of all that information, I'm going to now share my Bitcoin prophecy. I think we're going to be $21 million in 21 years. It's a very special time in the network, maybe the one time in the history of the network where you look out 21 years and you see 21 million. Specifically, I expect 21 million coins at a $21 million price in 21 years, and people ask, how's the network going to grow? It's going to be growing at 21% in 21 years. This is all, the only number you need to remember is the number 21. But the path to 21 million, it's not going to be simple. It's going to be volatile. And so you're going to see a volatility, and it's going to damp over time, but you got to be prepared for the volatility, for the surges and the drawdowns, the good days, the bad days. I expect it will continue to grow exponentially, but as it approaches hundreds of trillions of dollars, it will decelerate to the point where it's growing about 21% a year. In 20 years, it's still going to be the best idea. It's still going to be the most lucrative capital asset a company can hold. There will not be a better investment in the year 2046. It's trending toward it, but it will never reach it. And it will never perform at that level because it's always going to be better. It's always going to be more useful. It's always going to be less risky. It's always going to have the counterparty risk of a company stripped away. There's never going to be a CEO to subpoena. There's never going to be a labor force. There's never going to be the challenge of a supply chain. It's never going to have a tariff on it. It's going to be pure digital energy, pure economic energy. By then, it will be moving at the speed of light on layer 2s, on layer 3s. It'll be moving 10 million times a second. It'll be trading between billions and billions of nodes and billions of other nodes. There's going to be nothing else to compete with it. It will be the most valuable thing, performing the best. You're not going to want to sell it in 21 years. You're just going to wish that you had acquired more of it. The volatility is going to also dampen as the asset class grows, as the structure matures, as the options markets come on, when the banks embrace Bitcoin and they'll give you a loan, the volatility will damp. When it's fully banked, when it's fully optioned, when the mainstream investors are invested in it, the volatility will damp. Bitcoin's going to be 21. Bitcoin's always going to be more volatile because it's more useful, because it's more pure. Right? And because it's more leverageable, because you'll have more capabilities and you'll be able to do more with it everywhere in the world. It will be raw economic energy. And that's okay. Volatility is vitality. So now you have a future, $21 million, 21 ARR, 21 vol.